I don't know what the hell I'm about to do, but let's get into it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Barb and you're at Barb Beauty, and today's video is definitely different from all of my other videos. First of all, I'm in my bathroom, which is freaking weird. Like this is so weird. For today's video, I don't know what I'm gonna title it yet, but I'm gonna be dyeing my whole hair red. Well, sort of my hair, you'll see. I don't know why I want to do this. I haven't told anybody that I'm doing this. The only person that knows is my mother. My boyfriend doesn't know. I don't know what that's gonna be like, but like I don't know. I don't know what has gotten into me. I need to dye my hair a bold, crazy color that I've never done before. Like, let me tell you, this is so out of, like, not my comfort zone, because I don't care for crazy things like this. Like, they're not outside of my comfort zone. I don't know how to explain that. Like, I'm for them, but I've never done them. So let's just jump right in to the video. Make sure and subscribe to my channel and follow my Instagram down below. I would really appreciate if you guys followed me. And yes, let's get on to this dyeing hair video. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. We're doing this. Alright, so the color I'm going to be using for my hair is by Artic Fox. Miss lovely Kristen Leanne, who I love so much. I've used her hair dye before. Okay, so my hair journey, this is kind of like sidetracked of what I was about to say, but my hair journey has not been too exciting. Like I've said, I've been pretty much any normal shade of hair color. I've had red tips before, but that was like literally freshman year of high school, and I've had pink tips before, and I used Artic Fox hair dye, but I didn't do that properly, and I just bleached the hell out of my already dead ends, so I had them pink for maybe like 2 weeks to it. Then I needed to like just chop all my hair off because I literally killed it because I wanted pink hair. But this go around, it's kind of on the healthier side. I'm doing it properly, I think. I did a patch test, okay? So I did a patch test because every Kristen Leanne video I see of her talking about Artic Fox, she's like, do a freaking patch test. So I was like, okay girl, I'm gonna listen to you. This is what it looks like. I can't tell if this lighting is good or not, but this is the shade. It's like literally pure red. I'll put my hair down, but you can tell I don't have like bleach blonde hair. Like my hair is not like freaking white, so it's not gonna be like I keep saying it's not gonna be like, I don't know, it's not like white, so I wanted to test it out. I don't know how it's gonna pick up on like some of these darker pieces, but like we will see. So storyline of this hair color that I currently have, I basically let my hair grow out for like a year, and this is what color like my roots are, and like all right here. And I had it really dark, but then I started letting my roots grow out and the dark color like faded. So that faded out, and the bottom was still pretty dark, and it was darker than my natural color coming in. And in the summer I kind of got sick of it, so then I bleached the bottom half of my hair and it came out to this lovely color. I don't know why I'm doing this. I'm so freaking terrified because it's scary, and I love my blonde hair. Like I seriously, is this such a bad idea? I don't know. So I'm using Artic Fox Poison Semi-Permanent Hair Color. This is what the bottle looks like, and I got it at Hot Topic, and I was looking at the bottle and I was like looking for a true red shade by her, and I couldn't find one because to me this looks like burnt orange, like the bottle itself. But I looked up some color swatches of like the couple of red shades that were in Hot Topic, and this was like true red. So yes, I'm using Poison again by Artic Fox, and I'm just gonna lather that up on my whole head. So I'm gonna start some Netflix because this might take a while, and I will see you when it's fully on my head. So Okay guys, it is officially saturated on my hair. I'm gonna leave this in for about an hour, even though it is almost 2 in the morning. This is my hair. Okay, do you see this shit? Hey guys, so I'm currently back from last night when I started to dye my hair red. This is the finished outcome. I'm like genuinely so obsessed with it. I've never done something this bold and like harsh and crazy, but honestly it doesn't feel abnormal to me, and this feels like so right. I know for a lot of people this would be like so scary, and like it was scary putting it on, but honestly having it done and looking at it, it just feels so good. So basically I used Artic's Fox Poison hair dye, and I just lathered that up on my hair. I didn't do all the way up to my roots because I wanted this root look, and I feel like I wouldn't like if like it was red to my roots, you know what I mean? Because like when I put it up in a ponytail, I am looking in the viewfinder, but when I put it up in a ponytail, all this is like my natural color, and then the ends like red. I don't know why I can't talk. I'm just like so excited. So I put the hair dye on my hair, and I used two full bottles, but like the mini bottles. But like when I tell you that I like soaked my hair in it, I had that shit like so thick and soaked up in my hair. Like I saturated each and every single strand to the best that I could, and I left it on for a little bit over an hour. Like I was gonna do just a straight hour, and then everyone was like in the shower, even though it was like 2:30 in the fucking morning, but everyone was like, I ended up just doing stuff, and it ended up being like an hour and like 20 minutes. So I left it on for that long. I went in the shower. I used warm water. I didn't use hot water because, like, you know, I'm a woman and we take showers of fire, but no, I used like warm, not cold water. It wasn't cold, but it was just warm water. And I did shampoo it because I don't know if you're like not supposed to shampoo your hair after you dye it with like colors like this, but I did shampoo it. But I used sulfate-free shampoo. I didn't use conditioner because I got out, I tied up my hair in a towel, and I used a leave-in conditioner. So I got out of the shower, I put my hair up, I let it dry for a little bit. I took it out of the towel, I put hair leave-in conditioner in, and then I brushed it out, and then I put it back up in a towel. That's just like how I do my hair. And then I kind of just like relaxed for a little bit because I literally did this stuff at like 2-3 in the morning. But I know I wanted to have it dry because I do have like curly wavy natural hair, so if I were to like go to sleep with it wet, I would have woke up to like a whole mess. So I did that, and then I got up out of bed and I blow dried it and strained it last night just so I can see what the color looks like, and I was absolutely in love with it last night. And then I woke up this morning, I re-strained it, I threw on some makeup just so I can see like the overall picture. But you guys saw my hair, it was kind of on the darker blonde side. Like it's not like I had white bleached blonde hair, like it was pretty dark. So for this color to come up so pure when my hair was just like, I literally only bleached it once when I bleached it a few months ago. It was pretty light brown, that's why I only had to bleach it once, but it's not like I did this like, it's not like I put it on pure white hair. Obviously it might look different like that, but for how dark of a blonde and brassy of a blonde my hair was, it picked up the color like just straight perfect. It's so weird because it's one of those things where like this is so not like what I do, but like I feel like myself, like it just feels so good. And it truly is like an expressive way to express yourself. I don't know why I just worded it like that, but it truly just feels like yes, it's just hair. So if you take anything from this video other than me rambling for like 20 minutes, just if you're thinking about doing something crazy with your hair or getting a tattoo or a piercing or trying like a new makeup look, like just like do it, because like why the hell not? Like I don't know why I've never done this before, but honestly I was so scared to do it, but that's what made me want to do it, because it's like, all right, what do you have to lose? Like, okay, if it looked bad I could just dye my hair dark, whatever. Like I know you have stuff to lose, but it's honestly like it's not that big of a deal. And just do what makes you happy and just do what excites you and what scares you, because the scary things are the thrilling things, and that's gonna make you remember this moment. Like it's just a really feel-good moment when you do something like this. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow my social media down below. I would really appreciate it if you guys came and joined my little family, my little Barbie dolls. That's what I like to call you. But yes, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I really highly recommend doing something like this because it just feels good. It feels natural. It just feels so exciting. Like, and yes, I hope you loved it, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye guys!